Vilar. I'm a technology transfer manager and valorization working in FEUGA. Our role in the project Morpho is the intellectual property rights manager, and we are working in collaboration with different partners in order to valorize and optimize the results obtained in the project, and finally to find the best exploitation strategy. The idea is to manage different activities related with the intellectual property rights. The main activities here will be focused on detect all the results during all the long of Morpho project in order to evaluate the innovation potential and also then to design the best strategy of intellectual property management. These activities will be focused mainly on different workshops during all the 4 years project to teach the partners the importance of the IP, to collect their interest and also to see what they want to do and whom they wanted to share it. Also, we are going to perform a set of guidelines about how to manage these intellectual property rights and handling the results before publication. This is very important to have a strong IP strategy. The idea of all of this activity will be to collect the results and, in collaboration with the exploitation board, generate the best exploitation strategy to finally exploit the Morpho results and generate an impact on the society.